What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer or send USDC from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So if you're wondering how to exactly do so, this one is pretty simple. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to get the address that you want to send to, which in this case is going to be our Phantom Wallet. So open up your browser here, open up your extension for Phantom Wallet, or open up your mobile device and access your Phantom Wallet. Now from here, let's go and choose receive, and what you need to do here is you need to choose the network that you want to receive your USDC. So in my case, maybe I want to use the Solana network here. Let's go ahead and click on it and click on the copy option here to copy the address. But once you've done that, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and open up the Binance app or the Binance web page here and log in into your account and access your wallet at the top right and access your spot wallet. Now from here, you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says withdraw. Now from here, you want to choose your USDC, so just type in USDC, and from here, just go ahead and choose this one, and just enter your address. Now, in this case, make sure to select the Solana network here since we are using the Solana network, and from then on, just indicate how much you want to send. So in this case, the minimal value that you can send USDC here is around 50 for Binance, and also take in mind about the network fee, which is around 3.00 USDC, which is quite big. So in this case, make sure your address is correct. But once you've done that, enter the amount you want to withdraw, click on withdraw here, and this might take around a few seconds to a minute, so just wait for a while, and from then on, you should be able to receive your USDC to your Phantom Wallet. Now in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.